a digital marketing expert, I regularly share new digital marketing content on my LinkedIn to get new leads for our agency. But now you're manually thinking about the content and sharing it as a new post every day takes a lot of time. And sometimes I miss them too. That's where I automated this entire process of content creation and posting it on my LinkedIn account automatically. Here I automated this process using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here every day this automation gets run. AI generates the proper content for my LinkedIn post related to digital marketing and share it as a new post on my LinkedIn account like this. That too within seconds. Yes, you heard it right. No manual effort is required, only a single time automation building and you are all set. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your LinkedIn account as well. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, you need to create a workflow first and here you can see three different methods. You can set up a workflow using any of the method. For now, I'm going to set up using Quick Builder and take you directly towards the workflow setup. So here I've successfully set up a workflow using Quick Builder and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here as you know that I want this automation to run every day. So for that we have used schedule by Pabbly and it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I'm going to select it as every day. You can select it as per your requirement. For the time I'm going to select 12 p.m. Moving forward, click on the save and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have scheduled this automation for every day at 12 p.m. Now after running this automation, I want AI to generate a proper LinkedIn post for my account. So in that case, we are going to connect Gemini. You can use another AI tools as well, such as OpenAI or Perplexity AI as well. And here to build this connection, it is asking for an API key. So to get the token, click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to your Google AI Studio account. Here I easily got directed because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, select API key and under API key section, you can see some existing keys. To create a new one, select this create API key. For now, I'm going to use an existing key because I've already added my API key inside my Pabbly Connect account in our previous workflow setup. Alright, let's move forward. Then here it is asking for a text. In this text column, I need to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a post content for me. So let me add it. Alright, here I've successfully added the prompt. If you want this prompt, comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to send it to you personally. Alright, we are going to move forward. For the models, I'm going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash, methods as generate content and we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response within seconds where we have received the content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now lastly, we are going to share it as a new post on our LinkedIn account. So again, we are going to build this connection. And here it is asking for account credentials. So I've already pre-filled the details and we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Moving forward, I'm going to select my author from the drop down. For the content, I need to add the content generated by AI that I want to post as a new post. But now here instead of entering it manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. tips. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new content through our Gemini, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first. Here we are going to map the content generated. For visibility, I'm going to select public. You can select it as per your requirement. And then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new post on our LinkedIn account. Let's go and check it. And you can see instantly that post has been shared as a new post on my LinkedIn account. So this is that particular post. So with this, we have successfully set up this very simple and most useful automation for your LinkedIn account. Now every day this automation is going to run. Gemini is going to generate the LinkedIn post content and share it as a new post on my LinkedIn account. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to create LinkedIn post every day with AI. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.